Where to stay in Las Vegas? Did you know that there is a boutique hotel in Caesar's Palace? It's called Nobu Hotel. Let's do a room tour. No, like patio, but it's cool. I like this. It probably looks really pretty at night too. We stayed in a Nobu Deluxe King Bed. Very romantic. Don't touch the food. See, this bed looks really cozy. Ooh, the sheets are cool.
You can order Nobu direct from here too.
Shut up. Look at this closet. I like the closet. There's your safe. How cute they have a safe, and you can put your jewelry like a little case.
So
Nobu.
anyone that was able to time it that way, but
Oh, look at this freshly pressed robes. Love this. There's no tub, but that's okay. Oh, I love this. Take long showers. Natura Bisse. Oh, I'm so excited. They have really good amenities. A bidet. Little glasses. It's so cute here. I love it. The whole vibe of this hotel is like a modern sanctuary. And just in case you didn't know, Robert De Niro and Chef Nobu actually conceived the idea of this hotel. I love this robe. Nobu Hotel is truly a place where you just unplug because the Wi-Fi was not great here. So if you're doing work from home, don't do it here. Aside from the bathrobe that's in the bathroom, you actually get a second robe that's in the closet along with slippers that say Nobu. It's so cute. Oh, so this is the view that we would have got.
there's a strip little bit.
Oh, look at this blackout. It's crazy. This hotel was really nice to stay at. It felt luxurious. It felt very calm, almost like a hotel in Japan, but a little bigger. I would definitely stay here again. I think next time I would take advantage of the amenities throughout the hotel. We stayed for 3 nights and we were really pressed for time since we were with a big group for a birthday party. So I just did what I could while I was in the hotel room. They have these fabulous amenities. Natura Bisse is a skincare line and they sell this at Neiman Marcus. I've been using Natura Bisse for years. Anyways, what I did is with the wash, I actually made kind of like a bubble sink. Not a bubble bath because there was no bathtub, but a bubble sink. And I put my feet in there and just kind of alleviated the pain. I'm pretty sure I broke my toe. Well, thanks so much for watching this video. If you stayed at Nobu Hotel, please let me know in the comments down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Dead. The elevators are broken. I'll start walking. Oh my god. My toe is broken. I'm dying.
Adventure.
All for champagne that I didn't drink.
I'm not coming back to work.
My toe hurts so bad. My baby toe hurts. No, it's just bruised really bad. Okay, we're in Vegas. You can see our view from the Hotel Nobu, and it's actually a good view. But there's no like access to that area right there. It's just window. You can see like there's the flamingo, and the link. It's kind of cool just to see all this. My feet are dying. I'm dying right now with my feet. There's part of Caesars going into Bellagio and Paris. So cute. Uh-oh, there's Popo down there, right there. Right there's a Popo, right there. Popo, I wonder what's happening. Something must happen. But there's like 3 police, and my feet hurt.